Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. It has ended in tears between Ayanda Bingu and Felix Klope. Ayanda Bingu and Felix Klope were dating. Felix he's married to Utrace Kesana, and Utrace gave Felix her blessings ukuthi angathatha two, of which that's what Felix wanted to do. But unfortunately, it seems like it's over between Ayanda and Felix. There are leaked conversation Ayanda and Felix Hlophe lapha kuma social media platforms lalikwe ngu-Ayanda Bingu telling people basically what it's over between the two. Honestly speaking, mina I love Utrace. I love Utrace and Felix. Ngiyawuthanda ama videos abo lapha kuma TikTok. They are really interesting, and I don't know why men always want to take a second wife, especially Amazulu. Like, what is wrong with them, Kesana? So I'm sure wherever Tracy is, like, she's just so happy. As much as she gave him her blessing, so would say no, you can go ahead, but I'm sure would say she's like, oh my gosh, she's finally like he's finally mine, and mine alone. It seems like Felix Hlophe he's heartbroken by their separation with Ayanda. It seems like really le break up imshaya more than Ayanda, because sibonile lapha ku conversation ukuthi Ayanda like was just cool ukuthi yana if ufuna cancel amalobolo it's fine, you can cancel them, or else Felix was like begging Ayanda ukuthi he wants them to talk, he wants them to fix things, but it seems like Ayanda just doesn't want to hear Dinkesana. Even if kucancelishwa what they had planned, akananzaba ugel uthi peace and sanity yakhe it's very important ke sana. Yabona masetinza abantu ukuthi nekwebaleni tatuwa live lonke sona ngobuhlungu, especially for someone who's well known like uFelix Hlophe la hamba khona nje abantu bawuthi nangu Felix Hlophe, nangu Felix Hlophe. Guys, madoda avatifaka now. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.